Today, I am reviewing the BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with its cooling power, this air conditioner boasts a strong 14,000 BTU capacity according to ASHRAE standards and 10,200 BTU according to SACC. This means it can rapidly reduce room temperatures even during scorching summer days, providing immediate relief. The unit also features a large vented airflow outlet that ushers in the cool air effectively, ensuring your space cools evenly and quickly. One of the standout features of this portable AC is its 3-in-1 functionality. It doesn't just cool the air, but also acts as a fan and a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier function is especially useful in humid climates, as it can remove excess moisture from the air, helping reduce discomfort and preventing mold or mildew growth. This versatility makes it a year-round appliance, not just a summer-only device. When it comes to convenience, BLACK+DECKER has really stepped up its game with this model. It comes with a full-function remote control that includes a unique Follow Me feature. This means the remote acts as a thermostat by sensing the temperature where the remote is located, rather than just the unit position. So, wherever you are in the room, the air conditioner adjusts its cooling to maintain your preferred temperature precisely. This is an intelligent and user-friendly feature that enhances comfort significantly. Additionally, the air conditioner is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control it remotely using the BLACK+DECKER mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. This means you can turn it on or off, adjust temperatures, or change modes even before you get home. What's more, the unit supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can simply use voice commands to operate it hands-free. For smart homes, this is a fantastic addition that integrates well into your existing ecosystem. The design of the unit is compact and portable, measuring just about 16.5 inches wide, 14 inches deep, and standing just over 27 inches tall. It also comes with 360-degree rolling casters and built-in handles, making it easy to move from room to room. This mobility, combined with the included easy-to-install window kit, makes setting it up hassle-free and allows you to use it anywhere in your home that has a standard window. In terms of energy efficiency, the unit features a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER, of 6.2. While it may not be the absolute highest rating in the market, it still offers a good balance between performance and power consumption, helping you keep your electricity bills reasonable during the hot months. The BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable AC also has a user-friendly top-mounted LED display and control panel, making it easy to view current settings and adjust them manually if needed. Whether you prefer using the remote, the app, voice commands, or the control panel, this AC offers multiple ways to suit your lifestyle. Noise level is always a concern with portable ACs, but this model is designed to operate quietly enough for bedrooms and living spaces, ensuring you get a comfortable night's sleep without disruptive hums or rattles. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTU Smart Portable Air Conditioner combines strong cooling power, smart connectivity, and versatile functionality all in a compact, easy-to-use package. Whether you want a quick cool down on hot days, a way to reduce humidity, or a fan for gentle air circulation, this unit delivers with convenience and efficiency. With its smart features and thoughtful design, it stands out as a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and modern portable AC in 2025.